Assalamu alaikum children. This is your second class of SLOs. Today we are going to discuss writing SLOs. I hope your SLOs are with you. So let's begin. The first one is compose a formal letter to school authorities, newspaper editors, etc. Follow block style with open punctuation. Since this is your writing paper, so you will be given a formal letter in your exams. So we will be coaching you in this session how to frame a formal letter to authorities, to principals, to organizations or newspaper editors. And in this, what you have to follow? You have to follow block style with open punctuation. Now the question is, what is block style and what is open punctuation? I'll be telling you in a moment. The next one is use reasons, examples and or evidences to convince and support a prompt, belief or view. Children, this is your formal letter and formal letters are always written with a purpose. There is an issue you want to resolve, there is something you need in the organization, there you need the support of your organization, so you should mention very valid reasons for that, and if you can provide the evidences so that you can convince the authorities. The next one is use accurate punctuation. These are official letters. Okay, so you have to be very prompt in punctuation. No overwriting of commas, no inverted commas, no extra inverted commas and full stops. Appropriate vocabulary is key to a successful formal letter. How? The choice of words always makes a difference. And correct spellings. No poor spellings are accepted at all in a formal letter, because you want to convince the authorities. So your letter should be such that they should appeal the authorities. The next one is write a paragraph of at least 10 to 15 sentences without grammatical errors. Now this is your writing paper, so you will be expected to write paragraphs and essays. So in the beginning we will be giving you a small paragraph of 10 to 15 lines without grammatical errors. Now children, please keep this in mind. The grammar plays an important part in a piece of writing. How? The sentence construction that you frame, the subject-verb agreement that you use in the writing piece, the conjunctions, the connective devices, adverbial and subjective clauses. These are all very important and they play a key role in framing a successful formal letter. Now, as I told you in the beginning, you have to follow a block style. What is a block style? In a block style, the entire text of the letter is aligned and single spaced. It means that you will start from the left corner and you will end your letter in the left corner only, and it is single spaced. And open punctuation is using few punctuation marks. It means after every name and address, don't put the commas extra unnecessarily. That is called open punctuation, with no extra punctuation marks and with many run-on sentences. Now I have framed a small sample for you that what are the requirements for a formal letter. Your name or address, it means since you are appearing for your exam, so you will be writing examination hall. You will be writing your school name. Instead of writing Al Murtaza, you will be writing ABC school or XYZ school, your email address, date and the editor. If you know the name of the newspaper, of course you are writing to the editor, so you must be knowing the name of the newspaper. So you will write the name of the newspaper. Then comes the salutation, then the body of letter, which is usually comprises of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Again I repeat that in that body of paragraph letter, you will write accurate vocabulary with correct spellings and no overwriting, no cutting, and choice of words should be prompt. Then you will end your letter with your sincerely, your faithfully, your obediently. Then you will put your signature, and in the end you are going to write your name. This is how you are going to end your formal letter. No unnecessary details, very accurate, prompt and to the point things you are going to mention in your formal letter, children. Now this is a sample paragraph I have sorted out for you, because you will be expected to write a small paragraph of 10 to 15 lines without any grammatical errors. If you look at this paragraph, this is a simple descriptive paragraph, and if you further read this, you will know the choice of words the writer has used, how the writer is describing a simple scene of sunset in the evening. As you know, a paragraph is always a single piece of writing with single theme. See, the paragraph always starts with the topic sentence. Sunset is the time of the day when our sky meets the outer space solar winds. How the writer is using strong verbs, how the writer is using sky and sunset personifies these things. There now the other sentences, the further sentences in this paragraph, they are actually supporting the topic sentence, and this is how the writer is writing the further details of the sunset evening scene. There are blue, pink and purple swirls spinning and twisting like clouds of balloons caught in a whirlwind. The sun moves slowly to hide behind the line of horizon. Again the sun is personified, while the moon races to take its place in prominence atop the night sky. Can you see that? How the choice of words makes this word picture in your mind. This is a descriptive paragraph, yet a simple paragraph. Can you see that? So you will be expected to write a paragraph like this. Now, I will repeat again that grammar is an important part in your writing piece, whether it is formal letter or a piece of writing. So children, I hope you have understood, and you will be expected to do all this in future.